Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad H. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very interesting system of equations which is given as a square minus b is equal to 31. This is the equation number 1 and b square minus a is equal to 31 which is the equation number 2. So before start our solution, we take if from these two equations we can see that if a is equal to b, then putting this value in equation number 1, we will get left hand side of the equation is equal to 0, which is equal to 31, which is not possible. Similarly, if we put a is equal to b in equation number 2, then again left hand side of the equation will become equal to 0, which is equal to 31, which is again not possible. So while solving this system of equations, we assume that a is not equal to b, because if a is equal to b, then it will give the solutions which does not satisfy our given condition. So we assume that a is not equal to b, hence these roots will not satisfy the given equation. So we will not consider a is equal to b. We will reject these roots. Now we solve the given equation as. So let's start the solution. To solve this, first we will subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, that is, so subtracting left hand side, we will get a square minus b minus left hand side of equation number 2 is b square minus a, which is equal to 31 minus 31. So solving this, a square minus b square plus a is equal to 0. Now rearranging this equation, we will get a square minus b square minus plus a minus b is equal to 0. Now here we can use formula, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, plus we can write it as a minus b, which is equal to 0. Now we can see that a minus b is a common term. So taking a minus b common, we will get a plus b here and plus 1 from here, which is equal to 0. Now from this we can write a minus b is equal to 0, or a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. From this, a is equal to b, which is rejected as we stated earlier in the start of the question. So this is rejected, and we will solve this equation for solution. So from this equation we can write it as b is equal to, taking a and 1 on right hand side, minus a minus 1, and name this equation as equation number 1. Now we will solve by putting this value of b in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is a square minus b is equal to 31. Equation 1 implies, so equation if a square minus the value of b is minus a minus 1 is equal to 31. Now we can write it as a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 31. Rearranging this equation, a square plus a plus 1 minus 31 is equal to 0, and we can also write a square plus a minus 30, which is equal to 0. Now we can factorize this equation as a square plus 6a minus 5a minus 30 is equal to 0. So taking a common from first two terms, we will get a plus 6, and taking minus 5 common from last two terms, we will get a plus 6 again, which is equal to 0. Now taking a plus 6 common, we will get a plus 6 into a minus 5 which is equal to 0. From this we can write it as a plus 6 is equal to 0 or a minus 5 is equal to 0. From this we find the value of a is equal to minus 6 and the value of b, a is equal to plus 5. Now by using these two values of a, we will find the values of b. These are the values of a, which is a is equal to minus 6 and a is equal to 5. Now to find the value of b, we will put these values in equation number 3, which is b is equal to minus a minus 1 to find the value of b. So equation number 3, which is b is equal to minus a minus 1 and b is equal to minus a minus 1. We will put the values of a here. So put a is equal to minus 6, we will get b is equal to minus into minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. Hence the value of b becomes 5 from here. And now putting here the value of a as a is equal to 5, we will get b is equal to minus 5 minus 1 and the b is equal to minus 6 from here. So the two pairs of solutions are a, b is equal to, from this a is minus 6 and b is 5, and from this the solution pair is a, b is equal to, the value of a is 5 and b is minus 6, 5 minus 6. So these are the two solution pairs. Now we will verify these two values. For this purpose we will put the values separately in given equations, which are these. So we will put the value of a and b in these equations to verify the solution. So the given equations are, so this is the given equation. Now we will put the value of a, b as minus 6 and 5 in this equation, and we will get minus 6 square minus 5 is equal to 36 minus 5, which is equal to 31. So this is the value satisfied, and now we will put these values in this equation. So this equation becomes b square minus a, that is 5 square minus a, which is minus 6, is equal to 25 plus 6, which is equal to 31, which is again verified. So the first pair is verified. Now for second pair we will write the given equations again as a square minus b is equal to 31, b square minus a is equal to 31. Now we will put a, b is equal to the second pair, which is 5 minus 6, that is 5 minus 6. So this implies that this equation will become 5, which is a is equal to 5, that is 5 square minus b is minus 6. So it will become 25 plus 6 is equal to 31, which is equal to 31. So this value is verified. Now for this equation, b square minus a is equal to 31. So b is again minus 6 square minus a is 5, which is equal to 36 minus 5, which becomes 31. So it is again verified. So the second solution pair is also verified. So these are the two solution pairs of our given equation. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.